we are making corner bookmarks yet again. Today it's the little Piggy corner bookmark. Come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. So for the Piggy bookmark, you will need mainly a square piece of pink paper, some darker pink if you've got it, otherwise lighter pink's fine as well, a little bit of white, glue stick, pen and scissors. The first thing you need to do is create your very basic corner bookmark shape. So we're going to fold this up to create a triangle. We're going to bring the corner up to the top. Repeat on the other side. Open. Bring one flap down. And fold over and tuck under. And then again on the other side. And you have your basic corner bookmark. And now all we need to do is decorate it for the piggies. It's really easy, as you can imagine. You will need some eyes and some ears. Oopsie, my glue's rolling away. So I'm going to cut a little bit off, fold it in half. Now your ear shape is basically a triangle, but I'm going to cut in a little kind of flappy bit just to kind of shape it tiny bit, but you can do a triangle as well. It doesn't really matter. I just thought it'd be fun to give it a little bit of shape. And then you also need a snout, which is kind of like an oval. And then finally, we're going to make some eyes. Now you can have them all the same size, or you can have them a little bit thicker, you know, different sized eyes to make them a bit quirky. I'm going to make 2 different sized eyes just because these are kind of quirky, fun pigs. And then I'm going to cut them out. So get your glue stick. Mine's a bit dirty for some reason. Position your eyes. You can try them out first, see where you want to have them, but I know that I'm going to quite like them. I'm going to have my crazy eyes. A little bit of glue on the back of the ears. Now if you want, as you know, a lot of my bookmarks I shape. You could just round the top off if you want, and round off the sides, but today I've decided to just leave it as a very basic corner bookmark. And there we have it, your Piggy bookmark. Now let's have a look at the other ones because they're all so cute. We have 1 bookmark, we have 2 bookmarks, and we have, these are the cutest, oink, 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 some little baby bookmarks that are made out of my leftover pink pieces of paper. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and of course we'd love to see you again soon. So take care. Bye!